Surface tension. So the surface tension is a property by virtue of which the free surface of a liquid at rest behaves like an elastic stretched membrane tending to contract so as to occupy the minimum surface area. So again I will say that it is a property by virtue of its free surface, of a liquid. There is no disturbance on the surface of the liquid. It will be liquid at rest. Okay, so on the uppermost surface of the liquid, that means uppermost layer of the liquid surface behaves like a elastic stretched membrane. We can notice that when you are going in the river or in the deep sea, what is that? The water layer will be like a stretched membrane. So that is they are saying that. So the uppermost free layer of the liquid will act as a elastic stretched membrane, and this stretched membrane will tending to contact. It will be contact. It will be inverging force, converging force, not a diverging force. Contact so as to occupy the minimum surface area. That's why if you put a drop on the anything, what will happen? The drop will become a spherical because of the all the force tends to contact with the minimum surface area. So due to this tending to contact this minimum surface area is property of the liquid. That property of the liquid is called surface tension. There is a property of the liquid which occupies the minimum surface area when it is dropped or wherever it is occupied. That minimum surface area will be take place by it will be acquired by the liquid surface due to certain force. That is a surface tension. Let us we take a beaker with this is the upper surface, so we can draw. This is a stretched membrane. There will be a arrow mark comes, so it will be like a force will be going in this direction. There will be a force. Due to this force, this upper layer will act as a stretched membrane. Let us imagine a point A and B. The length of this imaginary line is L. So the force on this imaginary line is proportional to this force. The force is directly proportional to this length of the line. So this force is proportionality is removed by the constant. That constant is called surface tension. We can spell like this: sigma. So F is equal to sigma L, where sigma is a surface tension. The SI unit of the surface tension is Newton per meter. Force is Newton and length is meter. For CGS, it is a dyne per centimeter. Then for dimensional formula, force dimensional formula is MLT power minus 2. Length is L. Then LL get cancelled. We get ML T square only. So that is a M T square only. So this is the correct dimensional formula. So again I will say that the surface tension is a contact. The surface uppermost layer of the liquid will tend to contact and occupy the minimum area. That property is called surface tension. That will be equal to force is directly proportional to length of this stretched membrane. So the sigma which is equal to force by length is called as a surface tension.